Hello everybody, today we'll be unboxing every South African's best friend. This is a must or should have, well, but I won't force you, it's your decision at the end of the day. But yeah. Hello everybody, today we'll be unboxing every South African's best friend or supposed to be best friend. This is the Gizzu GPS 150. It's using a lithium ion battery technology. It's the 155 watts, which means it's mostly for the smaller appliances like your laptops and your TV, and it probably won't even run you for that long. It is written that it has about 500 or up to 500 charging cycles. It could last you longer in terms of the battery still having life, but after some time probably should just kind of lose that thing. There's no way I can just talk about every South African's best friend if there is no torch. Okay, you need it. It's load editing time. Otherwise, let's not waste much of our time. Let's go straight to the review. I'll tell you a bit more about it, show you a few test cases, and then you'll give it your thought from there. So here we have the Gizzu portable UPS. People call it the portable power bank. So what it has here out of the box, it will be having this unit, adapter or cable to charge it. And then for you to charge it, you just plug the adapter here. It has a very nice small fan here at the back. On the buttons, it has AC and DC. AC allows whatever current that you are receiving to go out to whatever appliance you might be having, be it a laptop or a TV. And then as well, you do as well have a DC. You have a touch button that you could mostly use when it's load shedding. The touch itself, is it that powerful? Well, it's good. It can at least light up something, but I have something that can light way much better than this. But yeah, this is good for like your first run. Front here, we only have like the 3 ports plug, maybe the laptop or the TV or whatever extension you might be having. And then you have here the USB port, and then the first one, and then the type C. So when it comes to the display here, you can see here it's estimating that it's 11%. It's going to take 99 hours, which is the highest, of course, because there's nothing connected to it. You see here it says the output is 0 watts, the input is 32.4 watts because it's just connected straight to the wall. Portability wise, this thing is quite small. I have very small hands, and you can see I can try to cover it up. So if you want to just pick it up, it's way much light. A kid can hold this, and yeah, you can kind of use it anywhere. It can fit in your Picanto's boot. So yeah, I couldn't really wait for it to fully charge, so I'm just gonna put it on even on 20%. So you will start seeing that the monitor on the right starting to power up, and obviously the PC now starts charging, right? And the monitor is connected to a docking station that has its own adapter, and the PC or the laptop has its own adapter straight to this guy. So you can see that it's estimating that it has 19 minutes at 20% charge. Roughly it can run about 3.5 hours on this setup. Fully, I think it could even go up to 4 hours depending on the usage at that moment. But for now, I think it can even do at least power it up for a good time. So I'm just gonna play around and see when I deplug and unplug certain things, what happens. Right now I'm unplugging docking station, it's still at the same. I'm unplugging the monitor, it goes up. You can see it has jumped by a very good 10 more minutes. So which means the PC can just run it properly. The PC is a 15 watts adapter, and I think the monitors are like 15 to 20 watts. So if you're working from home, this should be good for you. Although I had a small issue with my old other PC setup wherein it couldn't even run it, so it was giving an EO6 error, which I believe is just like overloaded. After here, I'm just gonna quickly show you the TV one, wherein it's just gonna be a TV and the subwoofer. So for this one, I'm just gonna save you some time. So we connected a soundbar that comes with a subwoofer, and as well as we connected the TV 65-inch television. It couldn't even show a single picture from the television, but at least a few lights at the bottom of the TV were able to just light up, but the TV itself, dololo. It was even making a very, very, very weird sound at the back. It was like a wee sound, which I believe maybe it was about to bomb. But the soundbar was able to just work without having any issues. My final comments on this one is I wouldn't be able to say it was a good buy because I had to return it. I couldn't do the bare minimum I wanted to do with the unit. In terms of pricing, it's well priced, although there is something that you can find with the same packaging, just different branding. It is slightly less priced. I had to return the unit as well. So overall, it would be good if you just have a laptop or maybe just a router that you want to keep up during your lead shedding time. If you have a bigger setup like me, well, definitely wouldn't recommend. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please watch me as I touch my way out. Cheers.